Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod. First, plug your Wi-Fi pod into a wall socket close to your Virgin Media hub. This allows the pod to pair with the hub before you move it to its final location. After plugging it in, leave it alone for a few minutes. The light on the pod will flash while it connects. Once the light stops flashing, the pairing is complete and the pod is ready to use. Now unplug the Wi-Fi pod and move it to a location that is roughly halfway between your Virgin Media hub and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weak. This position helps the pod receive a strong signal from the hub while extending coverage to the rest of your home. Once the pod is in its new location, give it a few minutes to reconnect. Then, take your phone, tablet, or laptop to the area that previously had poor Wi-Fi coverage. Check your signal strength and run an internet speed test to confirm that your connection has improved. Thanks for watching.